The Stromabstop is a quick, simple and accurate positioning system, compatible with any existing crosscut saw, eliminating the need to manually measure out each time. There are 3 different operating functions: manual, automatic and preset, where in manual mode you input the value each time you operate. The automatic function operates in a value list mode with saved programs. These programs can be made manually or input through a USB. The stop will move the position and wait for you to cut the material to size before being told to move again. The stop has 2 working modes, absolute and incremental. Where absolute, you tell the stop to move to a position, and with incremental, the stop moves in repeated incremental measurements. Setting up is easy. Simply enter the measurements using a digital screen, press start, and the stop will automatically move to the position required. The preset function saves your settings, so you don't have to enter the same values each time. Various sizes can be recorded and stored for future access.